them native foes poke. Put it up on the block like a street gang. With them native foes poke. They regard them with them. Put it up on the block like a street gang. Is your dash live or goes what you talk?
Well, we're on a little fire trail. Probably shouldn't even came out here. Almost got stuck. I should have been recording, but it might happen again going back through here. This is some whew. That's some deep shit. I'm about 400 degrees hot right now. Yeah, that was a rough one. I ain't gonna lie. Jeez! I'm hot now. Alright, we hit another road right off the little main road that we were on. Well, it looks like we're coming to another dead end. Back out to the main road. Just a little short cut off the little main road. Well, that was about it on that one. Back out to the main road again. Everything's so flat down here. I'm probably the tallest thing out here looking over. If these trees were here, we could probably almost see the coast. This is a cool area. I haven't really looked at maps to see where we're at. I kind of like the thrill of just wondering where I'm at. not knowing where I'm going sometimes. To me, that's what makes part of the adventure. Let's see what we got here. Do not enter private road. Fact. I see the coast.
What's that?
You can see out the coast right there.
Yeah. Yeah.
There.
It's like writing in the winding. All these palm trees.
That's so cool. I thought it was gonna be like all flat and straight, most of it, but
yeah.
This is kind of cool.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, I did a little workout.
That I wanted to get into.
Huh?
This is exactly the kind of stuff that I wanted to get into. It's probably going to be too hot here in a little bit to want to do much of it, but for a little while.
When I come out of that mud a while ago, I was hot.
Yeah.
I was like, holy shit. It ain't like mud, it don't stick.
No. It was greasy, wasn't it?
Huh?
It was greasy.
Yeah.
Other optional correction for the springs. This is all dead end and all of this. Okay. So this was optional on the Google. The main route is now the kind of last idea. Yeah, let's go pull off a little bit. Alright. It'll get some wind at least. Yeah.
Well, looks like we're heading back out to the pavement. We'll have to find some more dirt further on down. But it's pretty cool through here. All these little palm trees and little curves through there. That's not what I expected out of Florida right through here. I thought it was going to be a lot of straights and a lot of dust. I mean, it has been a lot of dust, but this dirt right here is a little something different. Coming up on a little area of trees right here. These are the little areas where it kind of gets a little curvy and cool. Not really sure what these other little trees are by these palm trees. Like this one right here. Cypress maybe? I don't know, cypress trees. Woo! Getting a little bit of that dust now again. I like to camp in an area like that if you can find a good enough spot. I don't know how it is at night time though. It might not be a good spot. Alright, well we'll catch back up with everybody later.